February 24th, 2017, 9:30 a.m. 311 Unit F, Hoskins Mill, padlock renovation. Bottom half, front screen glass. It's taken down. It's laying in the living room. It needs to be installed. Has several stains in the carpets. Most of them appear to be burn marks. It needs to be checked out. Medium-sized hole in the wall. It needs to be repaired. And several black markers and nail/holes in the walls. Majority trimmed, painted. The living room is gray cloud. The rest of the unit is softer tan. Several missing receptacle covers. They need to be replaced. Got no power to check any appliances. Claim for a new tenant. Replace 2 big, 2 small drip pans, Frigidaire stove if they don't come clean. No markers and nail holes. And the bifold doors, all the knobs are missing. They need to be replaced. Missing smoke detectors. Burn marks in the carpet. Another burn mark. More stains. Closet bifold doors, take it down. Needs to be installed. More missing knobs. And the shelf inside the closet, taken down. Needs to be installed. Most small miscellaneous items. Toilet slips on the floor. Needs to be repaired. Shower has a shower head. And that's about it.